Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, today presenting this used Skoda Karoq 1.6 TDI SE L DSG. Finishing in a smart shade of blue and powered by 1.6 liter diesel engine producing 150 PS paired with smooth automatic transmission, this Karoq delivers reassuring efficiency and a family-friendly usability. At the front, the Karoq showcases full LED headlights with AFS LED daytime running lights and clean grille design. It stands on 18-inch silver alloy wheels, which enhance this SUV's refined road stance. And at the rear you'll find sleek LED rear lights, privacy glass and practical powered tailgate. The Karoq offers highly practical boot with clever features such as folding hooks, cargo element nets and an umbrella compartment. The VarioFlex seating system provides brilliant flexibility for adapting space to passengers or luggage, and rear passengers benefit from split folding seats, comfortable three-seat layout with ISOFIX points, folding tables, rear air vents and thoughtful touches including roof handles with hooks. The front cabin offers heated front seats, height adjustment, lumbar support and spacious center armrest with storage. Dual zone climate control ensures comfort all year round, and the 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel provides intuitive control over media, telephone and vehicle functions. Ahead of the driver sits color chip computer displaying navigation prompts, vehicle status and efficiency information. The infotainment system offers crisp audio through the Bola radio with DB and additional speakers, as well as telephone connectivity thanks to Bluetooth hands-free, SmartLink Plus and integrated Wi-Fi for seamless connections too. You get voice control for hands-free operation of key functions and satellite navigation, which is displayed directly on this 8-inch touchscreen. There's also a vehicle menu for access to safety systems and information about your vehicle. This includes green score for efficiency feedback to help reduce running costs. There's also feedback from reversing camera and parking sensor for clear visibility with front and rear sensors supporting effortless maneuvering. This has been a presentation of the Skoda Karoq 1.6 TDI SE L DSG. For more information, visit us online or give us a call today.